What's up, guys? Let me pull up the stream really quickly so I can send it out. Pull up the stream really quickly so I can. Cool. Let's go here and send this out to everybody. All right. All right, what's up, guys? Letting a few people hop in here first, but I just like to hop on Tuesday and Thursday mornings if I'm able to, just so I can kind of come on and trade with you guys. It's always fun. So let's see what's going on this morning. All right, I have the chat pulled up and everything, guys. So feel free to ask questions either in the Discord if you're in the Discord or in the YouTube chat box. I'm more than happy to look at some tickers, give some analysis, and just check some stuff out. I don't enter any trades the first 15 minutes of market, by the way, just because it's too volatile for my liking. Because the market can't pick a clear direction in the first 5 minutes. So we'll see what's going on. Let's see. My equities account is up nicely today, though. My hedges are working out. I'm gonna keep holding onto those. Let's see. Thoughts on Affirm? I heard Affirm had a really bad news. They cut off like what, 40% of their workforce or something? Something nuts. 15% after guidance cut. I mean, it wouldn't be a terrible buy right now, to be honest with you. Like, it's so low. They have higher forecasts in May. They just missed a little bit yesterday, but I mean, I don't think it's terrible, to be completely honest with you. How do I get back to the actual chart? I don't like this. I don't know what I do. Okay, let's do this. Affirm. Yeah, it's down pretty dang bad though. We go to the hourly maybe. Yeah, it still has quite some room to fall possibly. Yeah, and the downgrade, right? Are they, what they get downgraded to? Neutral or what they get downgraded to? Yeah, it's nuts. I can't believe they got downgraded. Let's go back to the S&P. My indicators are not loading. There we go. All right, let's see. So SPY almost hit this zone here. We didn't actually quite hit it, which I'm kind of surprised. We kind of tested yesterday's high and then rejected. But this level right here has been pretty spot on recently, so I'm kind of surprised I didn't touch it. But it looks like we're gonna get a little pullback here, probably to settlement, possibly into 410.65. Not too sure about that, but that is a possibility here. Let's see what's going on. Who else in the YouTube live stream? Comment who's in here, where you're coming from. I'm just chilling, drinking some coffee, man. Let's see. Looks like Disney has a small pullback from their earnings right here. It looks like they're not gonna break this 1116, or sorry, 116.98. Where'd I even get that level from? Let's see. Who freaking knows? Oh, this prior pivot down here and over here, here. It's not a bad level at all. Yeah, didn't want to quite hold it. It looks like it's interesting. I bought Disney equity yesterday at 111. Pretty happy with the way that turned out so far.
Order filled.
I don't know if you guys heard that, but I'm trading futures on my other screen. I'm coming short here. But just scalping that real quick. Don't really know how far we can fall today, considering we did have such a good future session, I guess you could say. The future session was great. Then we had good jobless claims this morning. We might chop today, to be honest with you, but I think we're definitely gonna probably test this pivot here for 1250, and after that I don't really know which way we could possibly go. Thoughts on Tesla? Sure, Diego, let me check it. Not a huge Tesla player right now, but I used to be a pretty big one. So Tesla obviously is crazy overextended. Let's check the RSI out really quickly just because I'm curious. There we go. Yeah, we're almost peaked out here. So I'd expect a small pullback in the next maybe day or two. So maybe Friday or possibly on Monday. I would expect a pullback just because of the RSI is going to peak out. Other than that, it's really got room to fly. We just broke out of this previous high. We closed on this one. Next really strong level is going to be 233.46, which is kind of nuts to say, considering it was trading at $100 a month ago. Not even a month ago. When was it trading at 100? Right over a month ago, yeah. It's nuts. Alright, I might want to close this short really quick. Alright. That was a quick short. Let's see. What's weak against the market? Looks like oil's weak because it moves pretty inversely of the market. That would make sense. Square is relatively weak. Wow. That's interesting. Fubo, of course. Who cares about that? Riot and Mara. Looks like crypto could be down then. Yep, crypto is down. Interesting. Very interesting, actually. UPS relatively weak. I can't believe Square is so weak though. That's very interesting. Snap somehow is back up to $11 after its earnings dropped it down to $9.85. That is nuts. Let's see, let's go back to SPY. So we hit VWAP here after decent volume for a morning. 122k off the morning candle. Yeah, about the same as yesterday. 85, 83. Yeah, it's relatively low this morning actually, compared to yesterday. However, yesterday we were trading after a speech on Tuesday, so people were taking profits, buying, etc. Yesterday we chopped actually a decent amount until we finally dropped, and then chopped some more. So today I'm hoping to see some more trending markets. Other than that, just trying to, play what the market gives me. AI has been on a run and down today. Seller, what are you talking about the AI? I've been seeing a lot of the news about it. Are you talking about from Microsoft and stuff like that? Or what are you talking about exactly? Like, can you give me a ticker that's been running or not today? I'm just really curious to see it. Oh, AI, the ticker. Oh, wow. That's interesting. What SPY just trigger? Hold up. Oh, never mind. Those strongs. Very nice drop here. I should have held those shorts. Dang. Lost out a little bit of profits, but Google. What's up with Google? Whoa, Google. Mercy me. Why? What happened to Google? What? There's no reason for Google to be dropping like this. Man, this is a buy zone if I've ever seen one. Actually, you know what? I might buy some Google. Alright, let's see. Yeah, I don't know why Google did that. What was the news about Google? That's crazy. IBM is red. Well, I think IBM declared dividends, so that kind of makes sense. Good bounce zone here for IBM and Google, just from the RSI. SPY holding up by VWAP. Oh, sorry guys, in Discord I just saw, God, there's a lot of you guys in here. I just saw you guys are talking in the little chat thing. Let's see. Sagan, I unmuted you. Your mic was just crazy earlier. right, let's see. What are your thoughts on NVIDIA 200 puts for March 17th? Or what's your radar for a swing? Let's see what NVIDIA is looking like. NVIDIA is overextended too. Good range for a pullback here on the daily. Let's see. Could go to 283. Could go down to 138. NVIDIA is a really risky play here just because it's kind of in no man's land. It did break out right here from this support, but it could go as high as here. So it's really hard to tell because earnings are coming up, and it's really hard to tell because of the direction of the market. It's really uncertain right now. So let's see. Coke might be good though. Coke for calls. Cokes are really good hedge against the market, surprisingly. I might actually buy some Coke equity today just because it's so stable against the market and they have a good dividend. Yeah, 3% dividend, not bad at all. What are your go-to indicators? Yeah, so my go-to indicator is actually the indicator I've created. It's called the effortless algorithm. It's kind of what you see on the chart right here where it says long and short, gives you a take profit. This is what I use for my own trades. If you're interested, there's a link in the description. But that's my go-to indicator. And this up and down volume, I love this thing. It's great. And of course, RSI is good as well. Let me see. 1 second, guys. I have my broker on the other page I'm actually doing stuff with, so. Alright, sorry, I was just doing some equity work. Let's go see SPY. Strong buy has been signaled. I don't do strong buys right now. I'm trying to do long and short signals today. Let's see. What's signaling in the algo chat? Long on XOM and short on Google? Huh? Yeah? Wow. Look at that. Perfect hit. Wow. Google. Yeah, both were perfect hits. I didn't even realize these triggered. I have these set up in the Discord, not on my actual chart. I've been to set this up on my chart. Let me do that really quickly. Oh yeah, for those of you that actually have the algorithm and are interested about setting up alerts, I know you guys are sometimes confused about it, but what you do is you can right click and click add alert, or you can come up here and press alert, and then you just click effortless V6, and any alert function call will give you any alert. So you just press create, and then it'll pop up on your chart. I know you guys have had a lot of questions about that, but it's super simple if you guys just do those quick little steps. A lot of you guys in here, what's up guys? Do you guys enjoy the live streams? I haven't done them. I think it was 3 months is what the is what YouTube said my last one was. So it's been quite a while. Let's see. I'm also holding March 3rd 409 406 put debit spread. So, do you guys know how spreads work, or do you guys want me to explain that really quickly? Feel free to comment in either chat box. have no clue. Okay, cool. So debit spreads. So basically, if you're doing a debit put spread, you're going to want to buy the first, sell the second. That's what all spreads are actually. You're going to buy the first, sell the second. So for example, if I'm doing a SPY 409/406 put spread, you're going to buy the SPY 409 put and you're going to sell the 406 put. And what that does is you're going to gain profit on that 409 put infinitely, but your losses are limited. And then that credit on the 406 put that you're selling, your losses are also unlimited and your gains are limited. So what you're doing though is you're getting a net debit because the closer one you are buying, the closer strikes, maybe more expensive, higher deltas, stuff like that. And then you're selling a further out strike. So it's less expensive, less of a delta. And what that does is it that to a debit where you can't lose more than you invest, where a credit spread you can lose infinite amount of money. But the way you make money on debit spreads, your gains are capped and you get max gain if you expire under the one you sold. So if I'm doing a 49406 put spread, if the security expires under 406, so if SPY expires under 406 on the expiration date, if SPY expires under 406 on the expiration date, then I would collect the max gains for that if I exercise both of them. And then let's say I'm doing a call, let's say I'm doing a 408/410 call. If it expires over 410, then I collect max gain on that. But spreads are really good because they can really litigate your risk. They're really good about that because you can see your risk to reward in every single trade. Especially if you're using something like Robinhood, they're really good at showing you the actual risk to reward. Which is, I used to hate Robinhood, but I'm an avid, user of them now. But and you don't get as much theta decay with debit spreads. So I like them a lot, and they're a lot cheaper, Like there's March 3rd contracts right now trading for $90, so 90 cents. That's crazy cheap for a March 3rd SPY put. That's 409/406. So they're really they're good. I like spreads a lot. Of course, I'd never day trade spreads. Just for the fun of it, I day trade outrights, but sometimes I'll enter a spread and it'll go up 20% a day and I'll sell it. But they're really good for swinging because they're lower risk, really. You don't have to deal with your Greeks and all that. Let's see. Looks like SPY's falling relative to the NASDAQ. Baba's up 3.7%. I'm sure Hayes is happy to hear that. Let's see. What do you guys want to look at? What kind of tickers you guys want to look at?
I am to buy the Disney bonds.
What about Disney?
When to buy the bonds there? What's your level?
To buy, sorry, one more time. My music's a little bit too loud.
Disney bonds? Because it's dropping off the earnings.
Oh, it's not dropping too much though. I mean, it's still up 4.17% today. My level is the 116.98 right here. It's just kind of chopping around it right now. But it's just gonna move with the market. So if the market pulls back to settlement, you could always buy some Disney.
This is fine. So.
Yep. Let's see.
I just alerted calls by video. 100%. That super trend indicator
Oh yeah, you use a super trend from TradingView.
from Webull.
I use Weeble super trend. That's interesting. Let's see.
I
I
use Webull
like
for all my targets.
TradingViews is pretty good as well. This is what theirs looks like.
Yeah, but I use Webull for trading, so I use my positions are on my chart, so I can just move my lines up and down for stops.
Right. Yeah, it is pretty
So
nice.
it works out for me. Just move them like that, move my stop to WeWap or move my stop to SuperTrend and stuff like right below it.
Yeah, it is nice trading like that. I just I like all the integration that you can do with TradingView, especially making your own
Yeah.
scripts and just the
I
alerts
use
and all that.
something called Easy Algo on TradingView.
Easy
The
algo.
guy made it. Yeah, he only charged $20 for it, and it works out really great. Tells you when to buy, when to TP 1, 2, and 3,
Yeah.
when to sell TP 1, 2, and 3. It was the cheapest one, and it's pretty much a copy of the ones that are like 200, 300 bucks for $20.
All right, see the market pulling back here.
City. The one thing I will say is the Webull thing. It shows inflow again today.
Yeah, I would expect it to. I think we're gonna. I wouldn't be surprised if we broke
So
out here and retested 416 or
yeah,
even 418 potentially. That'd be a crazy swing, but
if I sold, I would expect some kind of outflow by now.
yeah, I don't
Starting
think
to
we're going
kick
down.
in.
It's just touching the EMAs here and bouncing off. See what the 15 looks like. Hey, it's 15 signaled long on SPY. Take profit 415.84. But a huge stop loss. I don't know if I'd be comfortable entering that. The risk to reward is just not there. No, it's not 1.5. But just saying, it's there if you want it. My Tesla equity is up 44%. That's insane. Let's see. I just threw that up there for you guys. Just so you know, the algo link is in the bio if you're watching on YouTube.
My book will close. For the week left.
So SPY is dropping here. There we go. Cool. I just don't know how far SPY's really going to drop today. Really slow market, to be honest with you, this morning. Little $1.50 range. Did we close at the low? Not really. Kind of held. Kind of, sort of. Lots of you guys watching. I appreciate you guys stopping in. Absolutely. Dang, Seller, I just saw your message. 96% on Tesla equity. Yeah, it's really funny. I set them up 40 something percent, but I'm only I only have like $20 in there because I have a Robinhood card. So whenever I spin, it comes out of my spinning account in Robinhood, and they round up everything and they'll like match it at the end of the week. And I said throw it in Tesla. So I only have like 20 bucks in it, but it's just kind of funny to see plus 44.7% on equity. It's just pretty nuts to see. I did hop into SPY 413/416 calls expiring 221. I got filled at a 1.55. It's trading at 1.57 now. Just if you guys are interested, I'm kind of using it as a hedge against another put. Both are green, so I'm just kind of locking in profits without using a day trade. Just because I'm trying to be careful about day trades, even though I don't need to because I have unlimited day trades. I'm trying to limit myself, just like mentally, you know what I mean? But again, I'm in a SPY 413/416 call debit spread, expiring 221. Excuse me. Hey, talk to me in Discord. What are you looking at? How's it going? I'm gonna have to go in about 5 minutes here, guys. But let's just finish this out. See if I can't leave you guys with the play. That'd be kind of cool, right? Let's see. The spy calls are up like 2%. There's chilling 2-3%, bouncing around. Do you guys have any questions before I kind of hop off here in a few minutes? Anything you want me to cover really quickly? Feel free to type in Discord or in the YouTube section, comment section. Again, I'm more than happy to cover anything. Let me see. Stella said, you're in Google equity, but what about options? Any thoughts? There are too many unknowns. So I'm not crazy about Google options right now, just because I would go long because I feel like it's gone down too much lately. You know, the past few days at least. But then again, I feel like the whole market needs a good pullback. So I mean, I might even consider doing covered calls. That's what I should have done, really. Just bought 100 shares and sold a call. But, I mean, it looks good for puts, to be honest with you. And I hate saying that because I'm holding equity, but it isn't good for puts. Whoops. Crap. I was trying to grab this white line here. There we go. No, come on. Alright, whatever. Crap. Too much is going on. There we go. Yeah, I mean, I am doing equity in Google. I'm just doing a DCA, so like I'll probably get like a 88 average, I assume, after the next 12 weeks. IDK about this said, could you do a quick rundown of your thoughts on Coke, please? If you're playing Coke calls, not a bad idea at all, I don't think. Good double bottom here. I would say Coke calls for maybe early March. I don't know, like 61 calls, 62 calls, something like that. Not a bad idea. I just entered Coke equity, so I like Coke. It looks good. I don't drink Coke because I don't drink soft drinks, but hey, if it helps the company, then I'll get one. I actually hold Pepsi too, so I kind of have double exposure, which is kind of weird. I guess they don't really move the same though, so it's fine. They don't move the same at all, actually. I have Pepsi because it's part of my monthly dividend things. Super Bowl coming up too. Yeah, Super Bowl is coming up, but like, that doesn't really do that much, honestly. It's just a big advertising thing. If anything, they'll be spending more money, but yeah, I guess so. Alright guys, well I am about to hop off here. If you're watching on YouTube, please leave a like and subscribe. It really helps the channel, really helps us reach more people. If you're in Discord, I'm sure I'll be chatting with you guys literally all day. Also, if you do see on the screen on YouTube, if you go to, hold up, I messed something up. 1 second. Why is that happening? If you go to the link in my bio, you can see the algorithm. Use code TRIAL for your first week free. And yeah, that'll be it for me today, guys. I hope you guys have a great rest of your day, and I will see you guys later. Peace.